So as you know, I'm replacing the door and just going to put it back on. And whenever you do any work on the RV, you always run into surprises. So I was talking about water that got in and got underneath. So I ripped up the mat right here, and underneath the mat was basically all this rotted wood. So this is the kind of stuff that when you're buying an RV, you really gotta look for. And that feels okay underneath, and I checked it out underneath, and there's something under there. There's a good piece of wood here. So I'm gonna rip all this off. And there we go, there's some styrofoam, so that's okay. So I'm gonna rip all this stuff off. And then what I'm gonna do is I've got a good joint, piece of board here, and I got a good piece of board here. I'm gonna put a good piece of plywood there. And so this is the gap I'm talking about here. You can see that there's lots of opportunity for water to get in and access that step. Okay, so here we are. Got it all cleaned out nicely now. Got right down to the main meat and potatoes here. Got rid of all the crap. And so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna put a piece of curdy here. And this product is actually a product that you use underneath shower floors. So it got a waterproof ability to it, and but it's not like plastic. It's not like it's not going to sort of create this sweat layer underneath it. So I'm going to put that down, and then I'm going to put the 3/4 inch plywood down, so that'll protect the plywood. And then what I'm going to do underneath is I'm actually going to seal the entire sub area underneath to keep it from water damage. And this crack right here that you can see through, I'm going to put the curdy all the way down like this, and then when I reinstall the door, then the door will go over top of it, and so that crack will be sealed up. So yeah, little things like that definitely help out when you're trying to keep water out of the RV.